Hi everybody, this term in science we've been having a look at light, and today we're focusing especially on shadows. So you're going to be working with your learning team to investigate the question, what happens to the height of the shadow when we change the distance from the torch to the glue stick? These instructions will be up on the whiteboard for you to look at, but there's quite a few steps involved, so I want to just take you through how to do it. So first of all, you need to make sure you've got all the resources you need. So let's have a look. You need resource sheet 10. You need 35 gram glue stick, or it can be larger, that's fine. You need a torch, you need some blue tack, you need a ruler, and you need some scissors, or if you don't have scissors you can just fold the page under when you get to that, it's alright. Okay, so here's the first step. You need to take the piece of photocopied paper and cut along the bottom line so that you get rid of the blank paper that's underneath. Once you've done that, you need to put some blobs of blue tack on the wall, either just above a table or above the floor. And then you need to stick your piece of paper onto those blobs of blue tack so that your 0 is exactly on the table or exactly on the floor, just like in this example. Okay. Next you need to get a ruler and place that ruler horizontally, so either flat on the floor or flat on your table with the 0 of the ruler right against the wall. And you need to look at that and count out 5 centimeters and just put your finger at the mark where 5 centimeters is. Okay. Then you need to get your glue stick and put the back of the glue stick at 5 centimeters. So not the front, but the back of it, closest to the wall. And then turn it upside down and blue tack it in that spot so that it's not going to move. Okay. Now you need to take the ruler and move it to the front of the glue stick so that the 0 of the ruler is in front of the glue stick. Now you need to measure out 5 centimeters again. Put your torch there in that position, exactly 5 centimeters from the front of the glue stick. Turn your torch on and see the shadow that the glue stick makes against your sheet on the wall. And you need to mark on your sheet the height of the shadow on the paper and just go to the closest centimeter, so either 7, 7.5 or 10, 10.5, wherever your shadow falls when you've got your torch at 5 centimeters. Okay, now, as scientists, we keep records of our information, so you need to find your record sheet, your investigation planner, and in there fill in here how many centimeters your height shadow was. Okay, so now you need to move your torch back. Keep your ruler still and move your torch back to 10 centimeters. Turn it on. Have a look at how high the shadow is when you've moved it back a little bit. And then on your record sheet right here, how many centimeters it is. Alright, and now you know exactly what to do. You just need to keep on going, moving your torch back 5 centimeters more each time and writing down your the height of your shadow that you measure on your record sheet. And be really interested to see whether your shadow grows bigger or grows smaller or just stays the same. Okay, well, now that you've got all your results from measuring the heights of the shadows as your torch was gradually pulled further away, now sometimes it makes results easier to just see when you see them in a graph form. Okay, so we're going to make a quick graph. Now in this example, when at 5 centimeters, the height of the shadow was almost 19 centimeters. Okay, so in yours, you need to write the numbers up the side here and of course label each one. So this one is how many centimeters the torch was away from the wall, and this one here is how high your shadow was. And of course, don't forget to add a title to your graph. Okay, now the 5 centimeter one, you need to colour that in, and of course you'll be colouring it in more beautifully than I am. Okay, and then your next one, you'll be colouring in the height of the shadow, and I'm just going to do it the same. For now, yours will be maybe the same, or maybe shorter or taller, or we will see. Anyway, look forward to discussing results with you. Bye.